Have you ever searched for tips and tricks to cheat Honorlock, only to come up empty-handed? Today, we are diving deep into the step-by-step process of bypassing Honorlock like a pro. You will see live glimpses of Honorlock being bypassed during an exam with undeniable video proof. Welcome to Exam Archer, your go-to source for the latest strategies on proctored exams. Before we get into the details, let's understand what Honorlock is and how it operates. Honorlock combines artificial intelligence with live human proctors to monitor your exam. Using your webcam and microphone, Honorlock keeps a constant watch on you throughout the test. This advanced surveillance system is designed to catch any suspicious activity, making cheating more challenging than ever. In today's world of advanced technology, old-school cheating tricks simply do not work anymore. Many students find themselves frustrated as traditional methods are easily detected by Honorlock's sophisticated monitoring tools. That's why a new approach is necessary to outsmart the system. Here's the flawless method. I install customized software on your laptop, allowing me to remotely connect and bypass Honorlock. While you appear to be sitting in front of your laptop, I am the one solving your exam in real time through this secure remote connection. Once everything is set up, you just sit back and let me handle the exam. My application ensures that all activity appears normal to Honorlock, keeping you safe from detection. This is the safest and most secure way to bypass Honorlock, with no upfront payment required. The best part of my service is that I don't take any upfront payment. You need to pay once your exam is completed successfully. Don't miss your chance. Fill out our exam help request form in the description to get expert help on your proctored exam and secure the grade you want.